and 3 brothers in a lance and 3 search warrants against Cap Bimbo. Options of the police according to him. Tataniman ako drugs at gumagawa ng solusyon ay ang authority para mapatay ako.
Recording
Alam
in
nyo,
progress.
these are very serious allegations. Ha? You are imputing to the police. So, kung totoo ito sinasabi mo, or as you said, bugso ng damdamin mo yun, nagalit kayo dahil namatayan kayo. Can you please, for the record, clarify to this committee kung itong lahat ng pinagsasabi mo ay paninindigan mo or binabawi mo or what? Anong status ngayon dito ng pinagsasabi mo? Because this is the meat of our investigation. Dahil kung sabihin mong totoo ito, hindi ako hinto sa kakaimbestigahan ng mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Dahil ayoko talaga na ang pulis may involved sa kalukuhan. Pero kung sabihin mo na nagalit ka lang or what, at binabawi mo din, for the record, tell this committee para magawa natin ng kaukulang aksyon. Sige nga, anong masasabi mo dito?
Yung nasabi ko po is dala lang po yun ng aming sama ng Lord, sir, sa dami po ng naririnig namin na balibalita lang. So hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko. Hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko maglabas ng aking hinanaing po, sir.
Your lawyer, ha? You can ask your lawyer for advice, legal advice sa mga sinasabi mo dito. So,
parang ganun na po.
hindi yung parang ganun na. You must be klaruhin mo yung sinasabi mo.
Opo, sir.
For the record, nire-record tayo dito.
Opo, sir.
So, hindi totoo yung sinasabi
Hindi
mo
po,
na
sir.
ang polis ay tataniman ka ng droga.
Opo, sir.
Hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na yung polis ay inuutusan ng nakakataas na i-raid kayo para at mapatay kayo. Hindi yun totoo.
Opo, sir.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo na yung results ng forensic examination, forensic investigation ay hindi totoo.
Ibang usapan na po yung regarding po sa paraffin test po.
So, ang paraffin test, hindi mo wini-withdraw?
Hindi po yung paraffin test po. Yung sa paraffin test po, is nagugulat po kami. Kasi
So, ang damdamin, except
dun sa
yung akusasyon mo tungkol dito sa results ng crime lab investigation, yung paraffin test.
Opo, sir.
Okay, sige. Balikan kita. Crime lab, can you explain?
Sir, good morning again. The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the persons, 12 persons. Sir, even though if the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, for example, if you wear a gloves, of course the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity. If the wind is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand, of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. It is much more farther from your hand. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. And if you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive, while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.
Thank you for that explanation. Nakuha mo, Barangay Kapitan? Sabi ng crime lab, I'll rephrase ang sinasabi ng crime lab, yung sinasabi nila na negative for paraffin test, hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Dahil may mga factors na pwede mangyari. Hindi mo pa sinabi yung isang factor na matanggal yan kapag mayroon kang ihugas na, ihugas na tanggal sa kamay mo. After ka pumutok, maghugas ka ng suka, ano ba yung mga style na yan? Sige nga.
Your Honor, I will negate that claim. It is because suka is an acetic acid
Okay.
which is insoluble doon sa hindi niya madidissolve ang gunpowder residue.
Hindi ma-dissolve.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero matanggal. Pwede matanggal kung...
As a chemist, Your Honor, because I am a chemist by profession,
Okay.
and the nitrates will not dissolve the acetic acid will not dissolve
Thank you.
gunpowder nitrates.
Thank you for that explanation.